Started from the bottom, now we're here.
I will be the one. Will you?
See, today, you need to tell yourself, I will be the one. You might ask what? Well, the thing you want to ask yourself is, I will be the one to create that brand. See, I will be the one to grind while other people are sleeping. See, I will be the one to pursue my dream. See, I will be the one to design the life that I deserve. See, I will be the one to do what I love. See, I will be the one to get rid of negative people, places, and things in my life. See, I will be the one that will focus on my future and forget about my past. See, I will be the one that will become great. I will be the one that you look at to say that I'm legendary. See, I will be the one to make $1 million a month in my family. See, I will be the one to become what it is that I want to become. But the question you want to ask yourself is, will you be the one? See, I will be the one that will tell you and look at you and tell you right now that focus on your legacy and stop worrying about the currency. Will you be the one?
Like, comment, and share this video. Will you be the one?
Started from the bottom, now we're here.